Hi students, welcome back to video classes. In the previous video, I explained about the shapes and angles and two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes. Now, in this class, we start the second chapter, shapes and angles. Here, Rohini and Mohini are two sisters. They love doing the same things. One day, when they were making shapes with matchsticks, Shaila gave them a challenge. So, this is Shaila. This is Shaila. So, what is the challenge given by Shaila? Rohini will make a shape. Mohini also. That means Mohini has to make the same without looking at it. At it means without looking Rohini. But she can ask questions. So, who's this? This is Mohini. This is Rohini and this is Mohini. Mohini said, oh, that is so simple. So, here Rohini made this shape. Rohini made this shape. So, Mohini is asking, is it a closed shape or an open shape? That means, is it a closed figure or an open figure? Here, already I explained about the open figures and closed figures. So here, closed shape. So this is closed shape or closed figure means whose line segments. So suppose if you think these are the line segments, how many segments are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the line segments. So sometimes we use curves. The line segments meet or they start and end at the same point. Suppose this is the starting point. So this is the one line segment, second, third line segment, fourth line segment, fifth and sixth line segment. It ends at this point. So this is the starting point. At the same time, this is the ending point. They start and end at the same point. Such figures are called what we call closed figures. Why? Because that is, there is no gap in this figure. There is no gap in this figure. For example, you take this one, is there any gap? No, it is a closed figure. What is this? It is open figure. In between these two in between these two, there is a gap. This is the gap. So it is open figure. Whereas this is closed figure. Like that, this is closed figure. So that is the meaning. Now, what she asked, is it a closed shape? Is it a closed shape? Say yes or no, is it a closed? Yes, it is a closed shape. Now again, Mohini. How many sides are there? So Mohini asked, how many sides are there? So who is Mohini? This is Mohini. Mohini asked to Rohini, how many sides are there? So Rohini said, it has 6 sides. It has 6 sides. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many sides are there? It has 6 sides. Now, so what about Mohini? So this is Mohini. Mohini made this figure. Mohini made this figure. Now, you give the answers. So, is it a closed shape? Is it a closed shape? And does it have 6 sides? Now tell me, is it a closed shape? Here, if you observe this one, here all the boundaries are closed. So here all the boundaries are closed. Now you tell me, is it a closed shape? Yes, it is a closed figure. It is a closed shape. So answer is yes, it is a closed shape. Now, does it have 6 sides? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Does it have a 6 sides? Yes, it has 6 sides. But it is not the same as the one made by Rohini. Suppose if you observe these two figures, so this figure is made by Mohini and this figure is made by Rohini. Are those shapes same? Are those two figures same in shape? No. So here the question is, but it is not the same as the one made by Rohini. So Mohini tried again. That girl tried the same figure. She wants to make the same as Rohini. Again, she made like this. So she made like this. Now, here the question is, is it a closed shape with 6 sides? Again, you count it. Is it a closed shape with 6 sides? So, count it. Here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, is it a closed shape with 6 sides? Say yes or no. Yes, it is a closed shape with 6 sides. Now, second one is it the same as the one made by Rohini? So, are those two figures same? So, quite different. Therefore, you said no. You just tried? No, they are not same. They are not same. So, number of line segments are same, but the figures are different. Now, is there some way to say in what way these shapes are different? In what way these shapes are different? So, exactly, they are different. They are different. Why? Because Rohini made, what is the shape made by Rohini? This is the shape made by Rohini. And what about Mohini? Mohini made, what we call, Mohini made like this shape. Now observe these two figures. Are those two same in shapes? So they are, therefore they are different. So they made in different shapes. Now Mohini tried again but got different shapes. Guess and make 2 more shapes Mohini could have made. So you do work out this bit. So this is HW to you. Now Mohini is now trying and asks Shaila what to do. Mohini is now trying and asks Shaila to do. So if you ask for the angles that the matchsticks make at the corners, you can do it. So let us look for the angles. Let us look for the angles means already I explained about the angles. So what is the meaning of angle? Angle means how the angles are formed. So what is this one? What is this? What is this? What we call? So this is a ray, isn't it? This is a ray. This is a ray. Suppose, so leave it, that one. Now you tell me what is this? This is the another ray, isn't it? This is the one ray and this is the another ray. These two rays are meeting at this point, isn't it? Therefore, here the angle is formed. So this is called the angle. Angle means it is the combination of two rays. It is the combination of two rays. This particular gap is called the angle. Particular angle. This is the angle made by these two rays. So this is also called the side of the angle, and this is the other side of the angle. Suppose if you observe the what we call say what is this? What we call this is a right angle, isn't it? The angle made at this point is 90 degrees. So this is the one ray and this is the another ray. This is the right angle. So suppose AOB is the angle. The angle made at this point O is 90 degrees. Suppose if this ray OA is so nearer to OB, suppose if it is nearer to OB means what are the angles formed? So this is the angle made by this one and this is the angle. So like that. So here if you observe this one, the angles made by this ray is less than 90 degrees, isn't it? Here this is less than 90 degrees. The angle made at this point is less than 90 degrees. So these angles are called what we call acute angles. Are called acute angle. ACU. Acute angle. Acute angle means the angle whose measure is less than 90 degrees. Suppose ray OA is like this. If the ray OA is away from this OB, now what is the angle made at this point? This angle, if you measure this angle or this angle or this angle, this should be greater than 90 degrees. Such angles are called what we call obtuse angle. What we call obtuse angles. Look at the angles marked in these shapes. Can you see the difference? Here Rohini made, by using 6 matchsticks, Rohini made the shape like this and Mohini made 2 different shapes. So of course these two figures have the same number of matchsticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But Mohini and Rohini made different shapes. By observing these diagrams, by observing these figures, we can say that each figure has different shape and different angles. Here, what is the angle made? So this is the angle made by these 2 matchsticks. So here the shape is like this. Here the angle is. Here the angle is. If you observe this one, this is the angle made by these 2 matchsticks, and this is the angle made by these 2 matchsticks. Why? Because here it depends upon the shape of the figure, the angles will be changed. But therefore, we can say that, so each figure, this figure has, when you compare these two, or when you compare these two, or when you compare these 2 figures, they have different shapes and different angles. Therefore, when the shape of the angle depends, that means the shape depends on the angle. Shape depends on the angle. Okay students, we'll stop here. We'll continue in the next class.